So we're at the first precinct, and we're gonna play for the policemen here.
Sarah, about your suspended police.
Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Our pleasure.
We love you, police officers. Thank you for everything you do.
I'm married to one.
She's married
love
to
police
one.
officers.
You do God's work. God bless you. Stay safe.
Thank you for your service, sir.
Thank you.
This is a video.
This whole room was just set up right before the 20th anniversary.
Oh, really?
Only for that reason. Yeah, it used to be a completely different room. None of this was on the walls. None of this was here.
Yeah, that officer down there is the one that saved dozens on 9/11.
Volunteers, they organize their own rallies.
Wow, all
So
right.
we have those rallies
Very organized, nice.
all over the country.
Oh, we
We had-
appreciate it.
We had
That was
police
some bad
stations from
times.
all over asking for St. Michael medals. I think we sent out 30,000 medals. So.
This is great.
So you're gonna have it with you?
Trying to have it with me all the time.
That's awesome. Right under your badge.
There you go. Thanks, guys.
They are so enthused about this campaign. That's crazy. Good job. I think somebody just threw eggs at us. Yeah, definitely eggs. Somebody threw eggs at us. Well, they're certainly in the minority, that's for sure. I've never heard so many honks in one campaign in my life. It just snapped right off. That's crazy.
Yeah, I heard it cracking earlier. It was just bound to come off.